All right, we have the Motovox Platinum mini bike here for sale. Nice and clean, well maintained. Got a brand new tire on the back, as you can see. Simple to start. My 9-year-old, actually, Joshua, how old did you get this when you were, what, 9? 8? Now you're 14, all right. So all of our kids have enjoyed it. I'm gonna start it up here, show you how it goes. Gets up to, I'd say around 25 miles an hour. To be honest, I think we messed with the regulator on it and it's about 28 now. He's gonna show you how it goes on grass, dirt, whatever you want to ride it on. So it runs really well, a lot of fun. If you're looking for a mini bike that is fun for the kids or whoever wants to use it, you'll find that here with this Motovox Platinum that we have. Give us a call, let us know if you'd like to take a look.